Hlaso is a psycho. He went and attacked Mtunzi and accused him of kidnapping Umadlomo. He lost it when Mtunzi said, "How could I do that when she's killing my baby?" It got so intense, Udindle had to come and intervene. And then Hlaso goes to tell the police that they must look into Mtunzi, he's the first suspect, knowing exactly that's the crime that he committed. And goes to comfort the kids, knowing exactly that he's the one that's torturing their mother. David finally proposed to Tsiri because Matubela told him that she's dying. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. Unhloso was livid when Umadlomo kicked the plate and Tutu was wondering what's going on and said ukuthi yini oyenzayo Umadlomo, threatened her and told her ukuthi yini ukhumbula umthunzi yini. He killed me when he asked her if you ukhumbula umthunzi yini. He's getting jealous even though emvalele and says that you need to do what I say or else umthunzi is going to end up in jail. Ngizohamba ngotshela amaphoyisa all the crimes that he committed nokuthi yena uhlangana njani noZiro. And then after doing all these evil acts, he goes to Madlomo's house to comfort the kids, acting as if he does not know what's going on, while he is the reason why the kids are going through so much pain, because he's the one who's holding Madlomo captive. Now, umndeni wakhe ukhona uGasa says that they need to notify abakadlomo or Dinangwe ukuthi uMadlomo is missing, and he says that they shouldn't worry them because they don't have any news yet. Why kanjani? Because umndeni wakhe they need to know what's going on, and says that Madlomo probably went to Police Khanda. Wacasuka umthunzi athi Police Khanda kanjani, hey? What do you mean Police Khanda? They started arguing ethi angikhulumi nawe wena, and then the church people came bazokhuleka nabo. And then Matubela says that she hopes that the police find them. Unhloso wathuka ukuthi how you've involved the police already, but yeah, we've reported a case at police station. Now he starts sweating. Uyabona ukuthi yo manje the walls are closing in on him. Manje le ndaba sekumaphoyisa. Untuthu can see something is wrong with him and says ukuthi what's wrong baba? And then he just says ukuthi he just needs some fresh air. So yeah, she said Unhloso because now he's anxious, now he's worried ukuthi what have I done? Manje sekungena namaphoyisa. How is he just going to bring back Umadlomo? Because Umadlomo is going to say what happened. And then Ubamncane tells him, yes, I hope Umadlomo simthole right because people can be monsters out there. We hope ukuthi le maniac emkidnappile is not some maniac guy who uzomvisa ubuhlungu. Kanti the maniac is the same person that ekhuluma naye ubabamncane. Umthunzi is out there distributing our pamphlets for people to help them find Umadlomo. But also meets up with him and tells him, let's just do a door-to-door, let's do a search party. Community yonke, and then people are going to help us find Umadlomo. Unhloso sees umthunzi eno Botsotso and he loses it, goes to umthunzi accusing him of being the one who kidnapped Madlomo, says uphi uMadlomo wena awukhuluma ukuthi uphi uMadlomo. Umthunzi is like ukuthatha ngantoni wena, what's going on? He starts making noise, causing a scene ethembeni ukuthi uphi uMadlomo, you know exactly where she is. You're doing this because you want to take the laundromat, you got close to Madlomo just because you wanted to take a business. Who's filling your head with all this nonsense when you know exactly ukuthi uMadlomo ngiyamthanda, I'd never do that. Now he goes on saying ukuthi when you're the number one suspect, when Avela Tambagala, I don't trust you. And umthunzi says ukuthi kanjani because uMadlomo is carrying my baby. How would I do that when Madlomo is carrying my baby? Ubotso tries to talk to Nhloso ukuthi how Nhloso Kasa, please man, this is not the time and the place. Hey, I'm calling to order Ubotso, but hey, awumeka kancane wena, this has nothing to do with you. Hi keeps on making noise to umthunzi. But when umthunzi mentioned ukuthi kanjani when uMadlomo is carrying my baby, now they're screaming at each other. And he lost it when he heard that because now the whole of Ethembeni knows ukuthi uMadlomo is carrying Mthunzi's baby. And said, Utunamanga when you can never be trusted. Udintle had to come for her. And Klaus, okay, Mara, hey, what's going on? Udintle had to come and intervene. Gas had to come and intervene. Umthunzi is even saying, you were at the house and you were fine. What changed? Why are you now acting like this? He went on saying, I can't trust you, you cannot be trusted. Udintle can see, something is off on Klaus. Why is he fighting so much? Why is he fighting Mthunzi instead of going out there and looking for Umadlomo if she has to? And here's what he was at the house. And then Nhloso does the unthinkable. Knowing that he's the one that committed the crime, he goes to speak to the detective at police station telling him Guti he's worried about Umadlomo and suspect Mthunzi Mayiza is the one that's behind the kidnapping. Detective is shocked with how kanjani, why are you saying that? When Zagaleni it's because he's done this before, he once kidnapped Usemide wanting money. So he's probably doing the same thing kuMadlomo. Detective is even shocked. Usathi, your ex-wife had so much money. Athi ibhizinisi yakhe yadlondlobala. So umthunzi wants the laundromat. Now, says you need to look into him because he is the number one suspect. He's probably the one that took him. Manje, and says Dix is now wondering ukuthi kidnap. Now Hloso is going to reveal all the secrets that had to lead up to Uziro and everything that had to do no Junior and the body being hidden. I hope Nai ends up in prison. Having a spin to Hloso kidnaps his ex-wife and then goes and reports a case implicating Umtunes. I hope now the detective looks into him. And then Victor finally got discharged and Khalala is not picking up his calls. Fufu tries to call her and she says she's not coming, she's not going home, she's not going to stay with her dad. She's going to keep on staying or level up. Kanjan when Taps was paying for her so until her dad recovers. And says that there's more, Ibile. I'm not going back to school, I'm not going back to varsity. I won't focus and get failure, so I'd rather just take some time. Victor moves in with Bridget so that she can look after him. But then now he's worried about Khalala saying she's always been a responsible child. This thing of wanting to stop going to varsity because of him is like really worrying him. And then Oscar tells Uki why is it Diveti does not want to forgive me or get apologize, and he forgave him like that, just like that. Now says what I'm gonna try by all means to win him back. Tonight he will like a parallel injury and try and do some things. Now and then she says, right, I'll probably be dead by the time Utivet marries me, by the way things are going. Hanti Matwela will overhear the conversation and goes to tell Tivet, I'm going to pray for her. I'm sure it's a difficult time for you guys. She misinterpreted the whole conversation. Now Tivet thinks that, Tsid is dying. And then said, when she realized Tivet does not know anything about this, she said, please don't tell her anything. And then Tivet goes to Sutsid. He finds her drinking my painkillers for a headache and then believes this might be true. Didn't waste time and went down on one knee, asked Utsidi to marry him, saying that I cannot spend another day without you as my wife. Finally, Utivet proposed, but under the pretense that Utsidi is sick and she's dying. And knowing Utsidi, she's going to keep up with this lie to keep the proposal or to get married to Tivet without setting the record straight. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.